Hi, this question is from Algebric Methods and this one is from P2. This question says that there is an equation and it has two distinct real roots. Whenever you find this question, there are three kinds of condition. This is one is say equal root, second is distinct means different roots, and there is no roots. For equal root, you know that quadratic graph touches x-axis. For distinct root, it touches at two places, and no roots, it's not touching. Formula for this is, you know it very well, b square minus 4ac is 0. For this, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and for no roots, it is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So if it is written distinct root, you know that you have to use this formula. And to use this formula, you must have a quadratic equation. This equation is a quadratic equation, not directly but indirectly. If you can see that this is having x square, this is having x, and this is having a constant. So let's try to write this equation. So this is 5x square plus 6 is equal to, let me open this bracket, 13k x square and minus 12kx. You know that a quadratic equation is written as x square and x and the constant. So we have to write this equation in this form. So first I take all the terms of x square. So that is 5x square, this will come here, minus 13kx square. So this term is having x square in it. Now next is minus 12kx. So I will write, it has come this side, plus 12kx. This term is having x in it, and then we have plus 6, that is a constant. So if I take x square common, I am having 5 minus 3k, and this one is I am having 12kx as it is, and this is plus 6. This is a quadratic equation, and you can see that this is the coefficient of x square, this is the coefficient of x, and this is a constant. And you know very well, this is a, this is b, and this is c. Now we have to use this formula. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So b is 144. No, I've already done the square. Let me not to do square and just write 12 square. 12k square minus 4. A is 5 minus 3k, and c is 6, that is equal to 0. We have to prove this. You can see that k square is there, 1, it is 6, we have 144. So let me write 12k square is 12 multiplied 12 k square minus, we open this bracket, 4 multiply 3k multiply 6, and minus minus plus, 4 multiply 3k multiply 6, and then minus 4 multiply 5 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply 6 is equal to 0. Now we can see that every equation is having 6 here, so we can cancel 6. We cancel 6, only remaining 2. We can cancel 4 here. This is 4, this is 4. 4 times 3 is 6. You can open it and divide it also, there's no problem. This is 6 k square plus this is 3k. 4 multiply 3 multiply 6 and minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can see that this question is saying that, oh, this is 13, not 3. Yes, so you can see that we have seen a mistake here. This is 13, this is 13, and this is 13. So our equation is 6k square plus 13k minus 5, and actually when we put the condition it was greater than 0, it was not equal to 0, so it is greater than 0. So you can say this is the first part, that is what we are supposed to prove. 6k square plus 13k minus 5 is 0. Now find the possible values. This is again a quadratic equation. It is greater than 0 like this. So this one is also having 2 distinct roots. So again we are going to solve this one in the same way. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And same formula we are going to use. B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So B is 13 square minus 4, A is 6, and C is minus 5 is greater than 0. What we are going to do, we have to find the value of k. So this is not the, by this way we are not going to find the value of k. To get the value of k, what we are supposed to do is we have to use the formula, and the formula is k is equal to minus b plus minus root b square. So this is b square minus 4, a is 6, and c is minus 5. So this is plus 5 over 2a. So if we solve it, this is minus 13 plus minus 169, and this is 120. This is 169, 13 square, and 20, 120. So 289. 289 is 17. So 13 plus minus, this is 17 over 12. So this means minus 13 plus 17 over 12, and minus 13 minus 17 over 12. This is 4 over 12, that is 1 over 3, and this is 30 over 12, minus 30. So 30 is, that is 6 times 5 is 30, and 6 times 2 is 12. So the critical values of k is 1 over 3 and minus 5 over 2. So this value can be 1 over 3, and this value is minus 5 over 2. Positive will this side, negative will be this side. It is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means, we know it very well, this is going to cover this area. the top area, this is greater than, means upper part. So the value of k will be is greater than this. So k is greater than 1/3, and this side value less than 5/2. So k is less than -5/2. So that is how we solve this kind of a questions. Thank you very much.